But I don't have time right now. I'm gonna load the cows. You're gonna have to go back, okay?
Yeah. I don't know about that. Might have to get him down. Got it? Nope. Both are in there. Actually not. Holy cow, that thing slid up. Yeah. One. There we go. I got one in there, but they don't want to get both. There we go. Oh, so make sure both of them are in there. 1, 2. Just pull it off. See? Just be a bit careful though. Those testicles will slide up right here, and you just can't get them. You want to make sure there's no nipples. But again, if you get one and you still have another one, the one will fall off. You'll still have one, and they'll end up being able to produce testosterone, still get mean, things like that. So anyway, there you have it. Make sure it's slid up, but no nipples. All right, so there you go. We're brought him to get on a little pasture from our place. So anyway, but as you can see, he'll come on, buddy. Come on, up. See? There you go. Come on. Hip. Come on. See? Walks fine. No big deal. Of course, so I'm not the one on the receiving end. So. But should cut circulation off, and just like if you were to twist something around your finger, eventually the pain would subside once the nerves and stuff lost circulation. So there you have it. He's happy-go-lucky.